Before going to the CTE program, I didn't even know that you could go to college to be a firefighter. I just like helping people, helping the community. Usually I'll spend a couple extra minutes on a call to make sure that my patient is either tucked into bed or if they need food, I've made them dinner before. Through the CTE programs, I was able to get a bunch of scholarships. I feel like going through that program set me up to actually get a full-time job in this career. It was the most fun I ever had in high school. You get to take the first or second half of your day and just do something that you're actually interested in. I could have gotten a full-time job with just my certifications that I got graduating high school. CTE actually brought in the colleges that were options. They actually sat down and helped me fill out applications, and they covered the application fee. So before that, I didn't even know where to start looking for college. I'm the first person in my family to actually obtain a degree. My name is Nicki Fowlie. I graduated from a CTE program, and now I work for Old Orchard Beach Fire Department.